Hello everyone, welcome to the new video. In this video I'll tell you how you can sign up for a Demat account on Angel Broking by Cashcrow. So this is a very exciting offer. I'll just tell about you more once I click on the link. So this is the link you need to click. I just clicked on the link. As soon as I click on the link, it will redirect me to a page. Let it redirect, right? So as soon as it redirects me to the page and I just reach the page, after that I'll just show you the next procedure about what is angel broking and how you can be benefited from this. So I am here on the page which is Cashcrow. So Cashcrow is a website which provides you coupons and cashback for different websites. So those who are signing up for this angel broking campaign and angel broking Demat account, what they'll get is they'll get 350 rupees Cashcrow cashback which they can redeem in their bank account or via Amazon gift card or Flipkart gift card, and also they'll get a 25 rupees extra bonus which they can also redeem. So in total for opening the account they'll be getting 375 rupees. You will be getting 375 rupees for the same. You can see the reward rates here. It's rupees 350 rewards on opening Demat account once per user. So it's once per user. I'll just click on earn 350 rewards now. As soon as I click on this option, there are two options coming up: sign up and already a member, sign in. So this is offer is for like new users, so you just need to click on sign up. As soon as you click on sign up, there is a page opening here. They are asking for your name, your email ID, your password, mobile number. You just need to enter a referral code to get the cashback, and after that you just need to enter this captcha and then click on sign up, right? I'll quickly fill all these details and then I'll just take you to the next page. So here I have filled all the details here which are required. I just need to enter my referral code. The referral code is HERODY25, which is HERODY25. You need to compulsorily enter this. So if you enter this, you will get 25 rupees bonus cashback plus 350 rupees. So you in total you will be earning 375 rupees. So just click on sign up. As soon as you click on sign up, they are sending a OTP to your mobile number. So you just need to enter that OTP and click on verify OTP, and then you are done, right? So you need to do this. Let me complete this and I'll just show you the next part. So I have got the OTP. I'll just enter my OTP, which is 390698, right? I just clicked on verify OTP. As soon as I click on verify OTP, they'll be redirecting me to the angel broking angel broking page. So they are redirecting me to that page. Reward confirms by 2nd of July, rewards activated. So they'll be redirecting me to the same. So there is an option here which is known as visit retailer. You just need to click on this, right? As soon as I click on visit retailer, they'll redirect me to that page. And also make sure whenever you are actually signing up for the Cashcrow website, just mention the coupon code which is HERODY25. If you don't mention that, it won't get counted. Fine, I'll just go to the next page and I'll just explain how to create the Demat account. So you can also see that the user has got 25 rupees cashback for signing up via HERODY25. By applying HERODY25, you can just go and check this in by going in my profile, then go in my earnings, and then you can check that this is a rupees 25 that the user has got for signing up on Cashcrow, and they'll get now 350 rupees for the angel broking one, right? So I'll just show you that. So here you can see I am on the angel broking page. They are showing that I trade prime account, zero brokerage for 30 days on all segment, plus free margin trade funding for 30 days. So you don't need to invest anything, plus you are getting a brokerage free account for 30 days as well, plus vouchers worth 5000 rupees from Ghana, ALT Balaji, CureFit, Bata, Mintra, Tata Sky, Eros Now, and much many more, right? And about angel broking, they are having a 22 years of trust. ARQ Prime is they are the number one stock broking house registered in NSE. They have innovations in fintech. Like they are also like major contributors, major volume driver award by BSE in 2000 and for 5 years in 2020. So they have got these many awards. So this is a really big and trusted platform. I think many of you must be knowing about the same. You don't need to click install on app. Just cut this button. Just come here and enter these simple three questions: your name, mobile number, and current city. So just enter these details and click on open account, then we can proceed. So here you can see I have entered all these details. Just click on open an account. As soon as you click on open an account, they'll be sending you an OTP on your registered number. So you just need to enter that as well. I'll just enter that OTP. I'll just show you how to enter that OTP. and after that you just need to complete the KYC verification. So for any account, account there is a KYC, right? So you need to enter that, and before that you need to enter your personal details such as date of birth, the PAN card number, your email ID, right? So these details you need to enter. I am just entering these details, and after that I'll just show you the next part. Fine. While putting your DOB, make sure that you put these dashes in between, because there are no dashes. So you just put it like this, right? Like this. Fine. I hope you understood. Now enter your PAN card number, email ID, and then you proceed. So once you enter your DOB, your PAN number, your email ID, then they'll ask you for your bank account number and IFSC code. Just enter that. These details are required because for stock market trading you need to add funds to your account, and for adding funds you need a bank account, obviously, right? That this is how you'll add. So just do that and click on proceed. After that they'll verify your account by entering your 1 rupee in your account, by crediting 1 rupees. You can just enter your annual income, whatever it is, 1 lakh, 5 lakh, 5 lakh, 10 lakh, whatever it is, and all other personal details will be fetched. You can select your occupation. There are many options available. If you are a student, you can select a student. If you are like a private sector employee, you can select that. If you're a government employee, select that accordingly. Click on proceed right after that. So as you click on proceed, there are options of PAN card and bank statement. I'll just upload my PAN card, and I'll just upload my see, bank statement is not required for regular trading. For I think some other special trading, bank statement is required, and you usually don't do that. So no need of uploading that bank statement. Fine, I'll just upload the other details. So as soon as I upload my PAN card, they are asking for signature as well. A signature should be taken on a blank paper. You should sign on a blank paper and then upload the same, because the signature is required for KYC, which is known as know your customer. You just need to do that. So let me complete that as well. Right, you can see that I have uploaded PAN card, client signature, and now it's time to proceed. I'll just click on proceed. It's proceeding. They are verifying my signature from digital signature and SDL e-sign. So that's some government procedure that SEBI requires all the brokers to do. So Angel Broking is a stock market broker who is actually doing the procedure for you on your behalf, like for their customer, right? So let them complete that, let them redirect, and let them complete the digital signature part, and then I'll just show you the next part, how to complete the account, like the rest part, how to complete the INT card upload and all other details. You just need to complete that. I'll just show it that as well. So you need to authorize that they should fetch your Aadhaar card for the signature. So you should complete that. You should enter your Aadhaar number here. I'll just enter that, and after that I'll just click on send OTP. I'll get an OTP on my Aadhaar registered number, and once that is done, I'll be completing this e-sign procedure. So as soon as this e-sign is complete, my all procedures are complete, and my account is done. So I just need to complete this procedure now. So I have entered my Aadhaar number. I'll just click on send OTP. They'll send me an OTP. I just need to enter that OTP. So here you can see that I'll be getting one OTP now. So once I enter that OTP, my procedure will be done. So I have got my OTP. I'll just enter my OTP as well. 817625. I'm done. I'll just click on verify OTP. As soon as I click on verify OTP, it will complete the procedure. Whatever procedure is there, the e-sign procedure. You can see success, OTP verified. They're asking me to save the password. I can, or I can't also. I am not saving the password, and I'll just see they are asking for make sure my face. I have completed that recording procedure. I can't record that due to some issues, as my like that you can't do screen recording while doing a video recording, right? So that's why that was not done. So now you can see that my account is made. This is my account, this is my ID here, and you can see this is my profile about the account. You can actually start investing in stocks, Nifty, Sensex, Bank Nifty. You can invest in equity markets. You can invest in futures. You can see the news as well, like you can select your watch list on the application. These are the last viewed Nifty Sensex share. I have not seen anything as I just completed my account. So these are the index funds, Axis Bank Limited, Bandhan Bank, Bank of Baroda, Federal Bank and all. So I hope you can just see your portfolio as well from here. Here the orders that you are buying for funds. You can do a research here. what kind of research and external advices. You can do that here. I hope you have understood how to open your account. So just complete the procedure. Make sure that you apply the code HEROD25 HERODY25 for sure. And also whenever you are completing the procedure, just use the link. If you don't use the link and you don't apply the code, it won't get tracked at all, and you won't be getting that 375 rupees cashback as well. So you won't be getting anything if you don't use that link and apply the code, which is HEROD25. So happy trading, and thanks for watching the video. Tata.